Nickeling and diming ourselves to death again. In the top level variables section, we've added these two new sets of variables. We have the number of used bytes for MP0 and MP1, and then we have a data hash for MP0 and MP1 that tells us the kind of data that is stored in here. And kind is more specific than type. In the monkey wrench macro section, these are disallowed variables. We want to use a data-oriented design, so we're not concerned about what command was used on the data. We're concerned with what type of information is there. What kind of data is in the data, right? What is the data being used for? We've created an assert function, assert string. It has no f in front of it, so this is a monkey wrench macro. All this is doing is making sure that the input is a string. In the Filemob function section, these are monkey wrench macros. This stands for command hash. We don't want a command hash. We want a data hash. We want to know what kind of data was created and stored in the miscellaneous pixel memory. Right now, all we're doing is making sure it's a string, and then the input just goes directly into this output here. Eventually, we're going to check against a pre-approved list of data hashes, but not yet. In the Filemob binary array to pixel array function, I don't think we did anything yet. We still have to get a call site for this function, so I'm just reminding myself. And right here inside of the local save function, within the Filemob function section, we've done one more thing. So after we turn the pixel array into a binary array that represents a PNG file, and we store it in miscellaneous pixel memory 1, we're going to keep track of the number of used bytes and the data hash used for the miscellaneous pixel memory 512. If we fail, then we're going to set the number of bytes used to 0 and the data hash to air undefined, because there could be corrupted memory there. Eventually, we're going to get to this in the Filemob local load, but not today, or not in this video. What we did previously, and then all of our footnotes for this video, we got to get out of here. If you want a longer explanation, go here. You are on this playlist. Like, subscribe, send money.